In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts before buying on Coinbase. If you like to plan your trades or simply want a heads up before making a purchase, price alerts can save you time and help you stay informed without constantly checking charts. Start by opening the Coinbase mobile app. On the home screen, use the search bar to find the specific cryptocurrency you want to track. Type its name or ticker, then tap it to open the asset page. This page shows the current price, the chart, and key details you'll use to set your alert. Next, add the asset to your watch list by tapping the star icon. When the star is filled in, it's on your watch list. This helps surface relevant updates and ensures you receive the right notifications tied to that asset. Now, look toward the top of the screen for the bell icon with a plus sign and tap it to add an alert. This is where you set the exact conditions that will trigger a notification. Choose whether you want to be alerted when the price moves above or below a certain level. Then, enter your specific target price. Think about your intention here. Above can be helpful for breakouts or momentum entries, while below might signal a dip you've been waiting to buy. Take a second to double check the number you enter so your alert fires where you expect it to. When you're satisfied, select Save to activate the alert. From now on, Coinbase will send you a push notification as soon as your target is met, so you won't miss the moment you care about. By the way, if you don't have the Coinbase app yet or need to update it, there's a download link at the very top of the description to get you set up quickly. To manage your alerts later, go to Settings, then Notifications and tap Price Alerts. Here, you can review which alerts are currently active, confirm they're set correctly, and make adjustments as your strategy changes. If you prefer fewer or more timely pings, you can customize how often you receive notifications. For example, you can prioritize significant moves or high volatility price changes, so you're only alerted when markets are moving meaningfully. If you need to remove an alert, head back to Settings, open Notifications, select the specific asset, and tap the three dots to delete the alert. This helps keep your notifications tidy and focused on what matters. That's it. With alerts in place, you can step away from the screen and let Coinbase notify you when it's time to take a closer look. Thanks for watching.